Welcome to Butterfly Solutions for Mathematics. Here, there is a question. The hotel bill for a number of people for overnight stay is rupees 4,800. If there were 4 people more, the bill each person had to pay would have reduced by rupees 200. Find the number of people staying overnight. This is a word problem, but in the exam, they will not hint the topic related to this question. But we can identify this question is related to the topic quadratic equations. Let the number of people staying overnight be x. First of all, we have to let that the hotel bill equals rupees 4,800. The new number of people is x plus 4. If there were 4 people more, therefore x plus 4. The hotel bill for each person equals rupees 4,800 by x plus 4. If the new number of persons joined here. But at first, the hotel bill is rupees 4,800 for x people. Then each person has to spend 4,800 by x. By the given condition, 4,800 by x minus 4,800 by x plus 4. Then bill each person had to pay would have reduced by rupees 200. Therefore, at first, each person has to spend 4,800 by x, and the 4 people when joined newly, each person has to spend 4,800 by x plus 4. When we subtract, it is 200. That is reduced by rupees 200. That is the equation related to this question. Then, taking LCM, 4,800 into x plus 4 minus 4,800x by x into x plus 4 equals 200. We can take 100 common factor outside. Therefore, 48 into x plus 4 minus 48 into x by x squared plus 4x equals 2. 100 into 2. Therefore, these 100 cancelled, and now 48x plus 192. 48 into 4, 192. Minus 48x by x squared plus 4x equals 2. That is 48x and minus 48x will cancel, and 192 by x squared plus 4x equals 2. And 2 and 192 cancel as 96, and here 1. Therefore, cross multiplying x squared plus 4x into 1, x squared plus 4x equals 96. That is, x squared plus 4x minus 96 equals 0 is a simpler quadratic equation. Then we can split the middle term as x squared plus 12x minus 8x minus 96 equals 0. Taking the common factor, x into x plus 12 minus 8 into x plus 12 equals 0. That is x plus 12 into x minus 8 equals 0. X plus 12 equals 0, x equals minus 12, which is not possible since x denotes the number of persons. X minus 8 equals 0, x equals 8. In such a way, we get the number of persons staying overnight is 8. Yes, in that way we concluded this question. Next question is, by selling an article for rupees 24, a man loses as much percent as the cost price is. Find the cost price. Let the cost price be rupees X. Loss percent equals X percentage. Therefore, that is X by 100. Loss amount is X into X by 100 equals X squared by 100. Selling price equals X minus X squared by 100. Loss amount from the cost price minus loss amount gives selling price. Therefore, 100x minus x squared by 100 equals 24. Loss amount is 24. Therefore, here they given article 24, a man loses as much amount. Therefore, 100x minus x squared by 100 equals 24. That is 100x minus x squared equals 2400. 100x minus x squared equals rupees 2400. That means x squared minus 100x plus 2400 equals 0. Taking x as common factor, x into x minus 60x minus 40x plus 2400 equals 0. That is x into x minus 60 minus 40 into x minus 60 equals 0. X minus 60 into x minus 40 equals 0. X equals 60, x equals 40. Hence the cost price is rupees 60 or rupees 40. Here are two options we get. Next question. 2 years ago, a man's age was 3 times the square of his son's age. In 3 years' time, his age will be 4 times his son's age. Find their percentages. 2 years ago, a man's age was 3 times the square of his son's age. Let the percentage of son be x years. Why? Because we can take the smallest score to be x. Then it is easy, then it will be easy for you to evaluate. 2 years ago, his age is x minus 2 years. Man's age 3 years ago was 3 into x minus 2 the whole squared. 2 years ago, a man's age was 3 times the square of his son's age. 3 times the square of his son's age. 2 years ago, man's age was x minus 2 into 3 years. That is x minus 2 years. The percentage of man equals 3 into x minus 2 the whole squared plus 2 equals 3 into x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus 2. That is 3x squared minus 12x plus 12 plus 2. By the given condition, 3x squared minus 12x plus 14 plus 3 equals 4 into x plus 3. That is 3x squared minus 12x plus 17 equals 4x plus 12. That is 3x squared minus 12x minus 4x plus 17. This 12 comes to LHS as minus 12 equals 0. Therefore, 3x squared minus 16x plus 5 equals 0. 3x squared minus 15x minus 1x plus 5 equals 0. Splitting the middle term. Minus 16x as minus 15x and minus 1x. 3x squared minus 15x grouping plus minus 1x plus 5 grouping equals 0. Taking the common factor 3x squared minus 15x, 3x into x minus 5 minus 1 into x minus 5 equals 0. Therefore, 3x minus 1 equals 0. X equals 1 by 3, which is not possible. Or x minus 5 equals 0. 3x equals 1, x equals 1 by 3, and x equals 5. X equals 1 by 3 is not possible. Here x equals 5. Then percentage of man equals 3x squared minus 12x plus 14. That is 3 into 5 squared minus 12 into 5 plus 14. That is 75 minus 60 plus 14 equals 29 years. The percentage of sun equals 5 years. Hence concluded. We can